So when it comes to trading, you don't really need all the indicators that you see when you first start trading. You really need to look at price action and volume. Now, we use the golden pocket, as we know, Fibonacci retracement, but also that lines up with the volume that we're looking at in our charts. Now, there's fixed range volume, as you know, we've used many, many times. That gives you that point of control, value area high, value area low, but that sometimes can clutter your screen. So I'm going to show you a simple volume tool that you can obviously use alongside your Fibonacci's, whether it's smart money concepts, whatever it may be, it will line up with your levels. So if you like these videos, make sure you hit the like, make sure you hit subscribe. Happy trading, make sure you're very, very safe, and let's get into the new volume. So as you can see, I've got this nice clean chart right in front of you. And what I wanted to show you is the volume, okay? So, initially when you get your trading view, you're just gonna have a volume where you have all the volume at the bottom of the screen. You have your low volume down here. Now, we do have a fixed range volume, which again, if you follow the channel, you will know I use a fixed range volume. And this volume still gives you that point of control, which majority of the trading has been happening on that asset. So at the moment, I'm on this Bitcoin chart, nice and clean for you. So what you're going to do when you come over your indicators, you're going to come over indicators and you're going to type in volume profile, okay? As you can see, I've already started this. Now there's going to be many, but what you want to go for is the KV4 coins, okay? And then what you're going to do, they're going to come up on your screen. And this is what they're going to be, okay? So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on this and you're going to go to your settings over here. And you're going to change this to your bar horizontal offset is going to be 100, okay? Then you're going to change your delta type, okay, to bullish. And we're going to put two, we're going to do two now. So your first one, you're going to change to bullish. And my bullish candles are black, so I'm going to leave it a dark color. And then what you will have on your screen, it will be moved to the side, so it's out of your way. You'll have your point of control, which again is where most of the price action has traded hands within this 4-hour range. Okay, and then you can see where the volume is. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to click on my next one. And as you can see now, I've got another one, which is a lighter gray just underneath and the red line. And that's going to be exactly the same. We're going to click on that one just there. We're going to go to our settings and not that one. We're going to go to our next settings. And now we're going to be doing delta to bearish. As you can see, we're going to do 100 again in relation to our bar horizontal. And then we're going to do our bar color. My bearish bar color is white. So I've just left it a very, very light color. Can't do it too light because my screen is white. And then also my POC is now changed to red. Now, what this is going to tell me is it's going to tell me when my bearish point of control, and it's going to tell me my bullish point of control, okay? And as you can see, in the middle of this range, it's bang smack in the middle. So both are exactly the same, but this is on the 4-hour, and that could change for the 15-minute. But the main reason for this is having a look where the volume is within the market. So if you can see just here that we have no volume in this area, none whatsoever within that zone. Let's put that to a black, okay? None. So it means that there's not going to be nothing action going on there. And there's no coincidence that if you have a look here, is a level of resistance of what we had before coming in at that 29.5. And look, there is no volume there whatsoever. So when you're trading, you're thinking, well, what am I going to look for here? It's more than likely going to be coming to the downside again still because there's no volume. Or if it gets above that, and stops you out, you know that the next major volume is going to be around about that 20,200, and there is a daily at say 30,000. So 30,000 to 30,200 is going to be the next level if we break above 29.5. So you know that because there's no volume here whatsoever, and that's why we've been stuttering in around that. And no price action has been able to get above, no price action has been able to get below. So that's what you're looking at when it comes to that. Let's get rid of that and then go down to the 15-minute, which would then allow you to obviously make your trades. So if you go down to the 15-minute on the term time frame, so then as you can see on the 15-minute, we've got this red line here, which is now our bearish point of control, okay? And now bullish point of control is coming at 29.3, which would mean if we are to lose this red line, okay, you would then start to see us come back down and maybe hit here where we've got the highest volume, which is a point of control. Below that, we have no volume, as you can see here. So the first level that you're looking for a move to be happening is this level just here. And then obviously where we are at now, you can see is a high volume node, which is a point of control as well. So when you're doing your trades, you can start to understand, well, okay, well, if I'm going to be looking to take a long from this zone, you know that you're going to be thinking a long position. I now know that I'm going to be bringing it up here. And my first target could possibly be the first level of volume, which is going to be here, which is a 2 to 3. I would suggest look for a 3 to 1, and slightly just above, that's your 3 to 1 just there. So you know that your first target on the lower term timeframes, if you're looking to long this, would be in that zone. Now, how I use this, for example, if I was to go to the 4-hour term time frame, and what I would do is I know that I'm looking at 25.5 is an important level to me, just say for example now, and I know now that I'll be looking to short in this zone. And where would I be looking to then take profits? Now we know that we've got a high volume node, as you can see just here. Okay, we've got a high volume node just there. So if I'm looking to short this zone again, for example, if I break up and then I short back down, I know that my first level of interest is going to be this level just here. And what do I get then? I then get my 3 to 1. And if I show you on the 15-minute term time frame, you can see this is what I'm looking at, and that would be my trade setup. Okay. And you can clearly see why. Why? High volume node on the 15-minute, high volume node on the 4-hour. So it gives you that insight when you're trading of when to get in and when to not get in of trades. Very, very beneficial. And like you see, so if I show you as to what I would be looking for today, this is what I would be looking for. I would go for mark my high. As you know, I've got my 15-minute high. I've then got my 15-minute low. So now I'm looking to be trading in this zone. I've then got my premium and discount. I take my low from here up to here. I've now got my premium and discount. I know that this is going to be a premium and discount just in this zone, just here. Let's move that to there. And we've got a premium discount just there. And I now know that my premium discount is going to be in this level here. So I'm actually looking to long once we get into that premium into the discount level. So I would be looking to long in here. Okay. And I'm looking to short in here. This is what I'm looking for. But this is just to give you a really, really quick insight into how you can use a volume very, very simply to keep you in and out of trades. So regardless of whichever way you trade, whether it is smart money concept, order block, Fibonacci levels, supports and resistance, which most of us do, the volume will help you when it comes to making that decision. If you're doing even more analysis and you're looking for every break of structure, etc., things like that, it will still give you good targets for you to aim for.